video, I'm going to talk about my top 5 most favorite foundations. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. So we will be going on the scale from normal coverage to medium coverage to HD coverage foundation, and going on that scale first, on normal coverage foundation we have here is this Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Now this exact skin tone shade, and this blends out so easily into my skin and gives an amazing coverage for my daily wear basis. Like in case I have to go outside for any party or anything else which is normal, I'm going to wear this foundation and it is going to give me a flawless base. So right now I'm using this foundation on my skin, and look at the finishing and the flawlessness of this foundation. So this foundation gives you an amazing coverage. It is budget friendly and it just sets your face easily. You don't need anything else while using this one. So I'm going to rate it 9 out of 10, and it is I'm going to suggest this for anyone. Like if you are college going person, if you are office going person, you are in corporate work, whatever it is, this is gonna suit you and it is gonna give you an amazing base when you use this. Next foundation here I have is this Sugar Liquid foundation. This is the drop system foundation. About this foundation, this is not my shade foundation. I just use this foundation on clients, but when you use this on siders who has the same exact skin tone shade, it works so well. Like, oh my god, this is an amazing savior foundation for like dry skin people. It blends out so easily on their skin and gives an amazing shiny base foundation. Right shade foundation in this one, and you have a dry skin tone, you need to try this one out. I rate this foundation like 8 out of 10 because this is just for dry skin people. Like if you have oily skin, I won't recommend to use this one because it's gonna look like too oily something on your face, and it is just for one-sided people, like just for dry skin people. So next foundation, which is in medium coverage, this is the Maybelline Superstay HD foundation. This is like I have added in medium coverage, but this gives an HD coverage to you guys. Like it is affordable, it is in drugstore, it is HD coverage foundation, and you can use it for your daily basis as well. You just need a minimal of this product and you have a huge quantity. You are going to use this for like years if you don't wear this daily. And best one, it is matte foundation. You need to blend it out quickly. It dries out so quick. Half side of your face you need to first blend this one out, and then you need to go on the other side of your face, because आप यहाँ पे लगाओगे, यहाँ तक blending तक आओगे, तब तक ये यहाँ का portion dry हो जाएगा and it looks patchy. So one thing you need to do is do half face, or else while you apply this foundation इसमें illuminating base डाला करो, liquid illuminating base, या तो फिर makeup fixer ऐड करके फिर लगाओ, तो it won't dry quickly, or else you can do half face, whatever suits you. And second thing, as this is full coverage, you need to apply थोड़ा थोड़ा. बहुत लगा दोगे तो it will look cakey. Second minus point of this foundation is if ज़्यादा गलती से भी लग गया तो ये बहुत जल्दी केकी दिखता है, तो you need to apply थोड़ा थोड़ा सा. Rate this foundation like 8 out of 10. ये अच्छा है, like HD coverage देगा, सब देगा, in friendly budget. But the thing is, you need to be थोड़ा सा attentive while you apply this one. या तो फिर ये केकी हो जाएगा, या तो फिर ये जल्दी dry out हो जाएगा, जो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इसका. तो इसलिए I would rate it 8 out of 10. Otherwise it is very good and it has amazing coverage. So next, moving on towards our foundation, is this Sugar Cream Base foundation, and I have 2 shades of this. I have 140 number and second is 50, I guess. Both are the darker shade. The texture of this foundation is in cream base, and this also blends out so well. Also it has an amazing coverage. This is an HD foundation and it stays for exact 24 hours. Like it actually stays for 24. Also blends out easily. It gives an amazing coverage and it stays for more than 24 hours. So I will highly recommend you guys to use heavy coverage HD coverage foundation. If you are normal office going person or a college person, you don't need itna coverage wala foundation. But in case you want for wedding functions or party whatever, you can go for this one and this won't disappoint you at all. This foundation for this video is this Elegel Pro Coverage Foundation. This is the HD foundation and this is costlier one, but I won't recommend this one for a normal person. If you're a makeup artist or you do artist and you do like siders makeup, bridal makeup, then I would recommend this for you. And this is amazing. Like it gives amazing coverage. इसमें दो वेरिएंट आते हैं, एक जो है वो ये नॉर्मल वेरिएंट है एंड सेकेंड जो है वो मैट वेरिएंट है. ये ऑयली वाला है एंड सेकेंड इज मैट. I don't have the matte one because matte doesn't goes for everyone. You can set this one with the help of compact and this gives an amazing matte coverage if you want. So I will recommend this one for you guys if you are a makeup artist. HD foundation illuminating base foundation. You don't need to even add illuminator in this when you apply this one and it is going to give an amazing flawless base to you. But the thing is, it is expensive. You can't use it on a daily wear basis. This is function type wear foundation in short. So if you want for your any function or occasion or any special occasion if you have, then you can absolutely buy this one. This is gonna make your base so amazing, fabulous one, and I'm going to rate this one 9 out of 10 for this video. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it was useful for you guys. Like this was an informative video. So do let me know that do you guys want me to make such more videos on every. Please do like, share, comment and to subscribe my channel if you're new to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.